Today, I'll show you how to upgrade your Twilio account, making the most out of this powerful communication platform. Whether you're looking to access more features or simply need to increase your usage limits, upgrading your Twilio account is a straightforward process. Let's dive into it. First, you'll want to navigate to the Twilio website. Open your preferred web browser and type in twilio.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to log into your account. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials. It's important to ensure you're accessing the correct account, especially if you manage multiple Twilio accounts for different projects or clients. Once you're logged in and on the dashboard, take a look at the top of the page. You should see an option labeled Upgrade. This is usually located in the upper right corner of the screen. Clicking this will begin the upgrade process. The upgrade option is designed to be easily accessible, so you can quickly move from a trial or lower tier account to a plan that better suits your needs. After clicking upgrade, you'll be presented with various account plans and pricing options that Twilio offers. Take a moment to review these plans carefully. Depending on your requirements, you might need more messaging capabilities, voice minutes, or access to additional services. Twilio's flexible pricing structure allows you to choose a plan that aligns with your business needs without overspending. Once you've selected the plan that fits your needs, you'll be prompted to enter your billing information. Make sure to double check the details you provide to avoid any hiccups. If you're using a company card, ensure you have the necessary authorization to make this purchase. This step is crucial as it facilitates the transition to a paid account, unlocking the features and limits you've chosen. After entering your billing information, follow the prompts to confirm your upgrade. Twilio will typically send a confirmation email to the address associated with your account. This email serves as a record of the transaction and provides you with an overview of your new plan and its benefits. It's a good idea to save this email for your records. Once you've completed these steps, your Twilio account should be upgraded. You'll now have access to all the features and capabilities associated with your chosen plan. It's worth exploring the Twilio dashboard to familiarize yourself with any new tools or options available to you. This exploration can help you make the most of your upgraded account. To wrap up, upgrading your Twilio account is a simple process that starts with logging in and ends with confirming your new plan. By understanding your needs and choosing the right plan, you'll be well equipped to leverage Twilio's full potential. Thanks for following along and happy communicating with your newly upgraded Twilio account.